Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on your CUBOT Note 9. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Here we want to search for Firefox. Select it and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. So now we can customize it, pick your theme, change toolbar placement, select Always on Privacy settings, synchronize Firefox between other devices by signing up, read the privacy notice, and finally click on Start Browsing. Here we can open any website. And as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.